Hello, my fans. The first thing I want to make you know for this particular question, where they say me solve the equation, now to make sure say you know where this particular topic come from. Me majorly for mathematics, anytime where I see things where root j inside, where my mind they go for first now, solved. Firstly, now if you look this particular question now, we can carry equal to 0, we get equality sign join. I'm gonna say now under that solve the part you get one particular aspect of solve where they call sodic equation. Sodic equation. Now the aspect of solve where they involve equation. You know, say solve, other ones then now will be rationalization of solve, addition of solve, subtraction of solve, multiplication of solve, division of solve, then the basic solve and ahead. So, but this one come under what they call sodic equation. How I want to take do one. Our interest now to find x. But as it be like this, too many patterns they will have to carry solve one. Yeah, just make I because of I want to make this video short. Make I just use only one method. What will be the method? Firstly, make I just carry this guy and this guy come this other side. If I carry this one and this one come this other side, what you go to remain a negative this one. No ignore this negative sign. That negative sign will put you for trouble. If it still save your life ahead. So I don't carry this one, I don't carry this one, I don't go this side. So I write this one first. Negative root x minus 2 equal to, if I carry this minus 1 cross, it become plus 1. If I carry this square root of x cross, it become minus square root of x. Normally, I need like this carry this one cross, carry cross. I'll just say add 1 to both sides of the equation. Then later I can say subtract root x from both sides of the equation. This and this guy will disappear, leaving us with this one. Then the rest of these guys will be on this part with their respective sign. But because you want to make it easier, if they like make this one they cross. Negative 1 cross to this side become positive 1. Positive this cross to this side, it become negative of this. You enter B. I make it solve John. What will happen to this negative sign and this root? At the see root here, the see root here. Make I take the square because within they always remove root, square root, now square. See, we just say square both sides. Square both sides. So if I want square both sides, we just say minus square root of x minus 2 all squared. What are they talk with that? Equal to 1 minus root x all squared. Sure you understand? Anything squared, if I give you a squared, it means a times a, duplicating a into 2. Similarly, this one squared means minus root x minus 2 into minus root x minus 2. Similarly, this side too, I'll get 1 minus root x times 1 minus root x. I also know why. So that's the implication of this square, duplicate them. So we're going to follow this rule of sort where we say, if I get the square root of a times square root of a, it will give me a. If I get the square root of 9 times square root of 9, the answer will be 9. So if I get the square root of minus square root, of course, minus now positive now, that one don't come out. So if I get the square root of x minus 2 times the square root of x minus 2, remember, the square root of a times the square root of a, that is the square root of the same thing times the square root of the same thing. Now that thing inside the bracket. The square root of 9 inside the bracket, inside the square root, times the square root of 9 is equal to 9 with inside the root. So the square root of this one times the square root of the same thing equal to waiting. That thing inside the square root will be x minus 2 without the square root. See this one now without the square root. You understand? And now the rule of sort I use with that. Equal to this one. A different thing though. So you go distribute. Distribute, I mean, you go expand the bracket. Use this one, multiply by 1. And use this one again, multiply by this one. Then later use this one, multiply by this. And use this one, multiply by this. You understand? Let's go. 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 again times minus root x will give you minus root x. You know, say 1 times that thing is the same thing. Minus root x times 1 now minus root x. Minus times minus now plus. Root x times root x. Root 9 times root 9, 9. Root a times root a, x times root a, root x times root x, x. You enter root x times root x, just like root a times root a give you a, root x times root x will give you x. You enter b. Let's go. So yeah, you can't get c. I dey get this one no square root, 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 this one there is square root. Leave this one like this for this side. Carry these two come this side. You understand? So I can say x minus 2, this one cross come minus 1, if plus x cross come minus x equal to minus root x minus root x will give you minus 2 root x. How? Minus a minus a, that's invisible one here, invisible one here. A and a are common, take one. Minus 1 minus 1 give me minus 2. Similarly, there's invisible one here, there's invisible one here. So root x, they are common. Minus 1 minus 1 will give you minus 2. E enter B? E enter. Good. Make we finish work. So what's going to happen here? It also say, yeah, x minus x na 0. See x will cancel out with x because x minus x na 0. Then minus 2 minus 1 will give you what? Minus 3. Minus 3 equal to, this one will give you minus 2 root x. C minus here, minus and minus will cancel. Cancel out this minus, minus, minus. Wetin remain na 3 equal to 2 root x. Keep in mind, we look for x, the value of x. So what's the next point now? The next point is simple. What I go do be say, I go say, make we stop this one for here. Take the points down here. I go say, since we get 3 equal to 2 root x, we need to remove that square root. And to remove that square root, we square again. Square both sides again. Square both sides again. In order to achieve that, I'll just say 3 squared equal to 2 root x squared. 3 squared, maybe 3 times 3, maybe 9. Abi? 3 times 3, 9. Equal to this one squared. This will take the square, this will take the square, but that one will hard you. Duplicate this one into 2. 2 root x times 2 root x. That's the meaning of this thing, square. Now, 9 equal to 2 times 2, 4, into root x times root x. Root a times root a, root x times root x will be what? X. Good. So you now have 9 equal to 4x. Getting the value of x, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4, and 4 will cancel. Therefore, x will be equal to 9 over 4. That's the answer. X equal to 9 over 4. It's just a simple reach. It's just a simplify and break and down. And enter. Just make sure say you encourage me by sharing this video. But before sharing, like. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Drop a very nice comment if you found this particular one useful. And the final thing you need to do is to share. Don't forget to share because your guys, they need to see this video. Your colleagues, and I did this in Pidgin English. I use Pidgin English, carry break and down. And at the same step, we will use English, talk am, we use English, solve am. But I pieces everything. You know, get wahala. If you get problem, put am for comment section. But now next time we go see now. Peace and love.